For 2018, I had set myself a target of 118 beauty products to use up. That was my sort of Project Pan goal for this year. And I already reached the target in October. You can see my October beauty empties over here. So these are my November empties. So I had used up, by the end of October, 125 different beauty products. So I'd already sort of exceeded the target, and passed my sort of threshold. So let's see how much I've used up in November. First up, sort of makeup. I mean, it's not exactly makeup. It is actually a tinted moisturizer with SPF. This is DNA Renewal 50 Sun Protection. Looks like a test tube, I know. I confess, I had actually used this up on my body rather than on my face because the formula was way, way, way too greasy, drippy, thick and viscous and gooey for my liking. So I won't be repurchasing this. Now let's move to the skincare. First up, cleanser. CosRx Good Morning Low pH Gel Cleanser. Absolutely adore this. I have backups of backups of backups of backups. It actually has a pH of 5.5, I think, or 5. I mean, some people are saying 5, some people are saying 5.5. I tried getting those strips of Amazon, pH strips, and messing about. And, I have no idea how to use them. I'm dumb where a lot of things are concerned. So I can't really tell you what the exact pH is, but it's lovely. Not, foamy or anything. It's a gel cleanser. This is a great second cleanse. It is also a lovely morning cleanse. So will I repurchase? Already have. Vitamin C is next. This is the TM, my signature source, 20% vitamin C. So empty. All right, that was about half a drop. So the reason I removed the dropper is because I've saved the dropper for my next bottle. This is formerly OSTC 20, and then they later rebranded as Wish Trend and later as TM. I have no idea what they're called now. They rebrand every 5 seconds. So this is 20% Vit C. It's a bit too harsh actually for my liking. Will I repurchase? I will use up the ones that I've got now and then stop for a while because I'm utterly obsessed with the Dr. Dennis Gross C Plus Collagen Vit C Serum, which I got in my L Advent calendar, reviewed here. And then I ended up buying it during Space and K's last gift with purchase, which you can see over here. So that's the C that I'm going to go in for after these bottles are over. So the next one is the serum, E-Cooking's Acne Serum. Hallelujah. Glory be. I adore this stuff so much. Salicylic acid serum. And E-Cooking is one of those extremely harm-free, clean brands, as it were. Will I repurchase? Already have got 2 more bottles in my stash. The next thing is the Snail Bee High Content Skin from Benton. When something says skin, it's actually meant to be a toner. I don't know. I just used it all over my face, instead of an essence. So that's how I used it. Will I repurchase? No, because Maison has better Snail products than Benton. That's probably sacrilege when it comes to, K-beauty, because a lot of more people are Benton fans than Maison fans, but I prefer Maison. So it tastes different. So the next thing is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I don't know, I've got about 1 billion of these in gifts with purchases and advent calendars and beauty boxes. So it was good to use up one, finally. Next we move to Bath & Body products. The first thing is Caudalie hand cream. As you can see, I've sort of tried to get every bit of this out. Lovely little hand cream. Will I repurchase? Probably once I put a dent in my stash. We have the Cocoa Brown by Marissa Carter Chocolate Whip Oil-Free Body Moisturizer. This was supposed to give you a tan, a gradual tan. It didn't actually. It only gave me a glow. Helped my legs look a bit normal. And yes, it did look like chocolate. It smelled like chocolate. I have no idea if it tasted like chocolate. I'm not going to sit and eat moisturizers to do reviews on YouTube for you lot. So I don't know if it did taste like chocolate. It was very nice, not just around animals. This came in a gift with purchase on Cloud 10 Beauty. Will I repurchase? Probably. I don't know. Once I put it into my stash, because, a body moisturizer that smells of chocolate is all right in my book. So we also have an eye cream. This is Pure Best Galactomyces 80 eye cream. Oh my god, this took forever to finish because this is at 50 grams, one of the largest sized tubes of eye creams that I've ever seen, let alone used. And did I like it? It was all right, nothing very special. I wouldn't call it one of the nicest eye creams out there. So the only problem is, it took forever to use up. I just don't want to see it again for a very, very long time. Finally, one hair care product, Tesco Indulgent Conditioner, Coconut and Almond Milk. These are beautiful. I know they're Tesco, very, very cheap and all that, but they're great CO washes, conditioner only washes if you don't want to shampoo, because the sort of texture, the formulation, the viscosity is very similar. There's a lot of slippage. Sorry, these aren't really words, but you've got to understand what I'm trying to say here. So the slippage was so good that, you could use it as a CO wash, as a cleansing cream, as a cleansing conditioner, oh God, as a conditioning cleanser, as a cleansing conditioner, whatever you want to call it. Really nice. Will I repurchase? Already have. I think I've got green apple next. So it did smell of coconuts. Very nice. So I used up 10 beauty products this month in November, which means I've managed to finish up 135 in 2018 so far. December yet to go. Let's see how much I use up in December. Stay tuned for that. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up and please do hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.